In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload zip files on GitHub. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then you'll need to go up to github.com. Once you're inside of here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to find the specific project that you want to upload zip files onto. Let's just click this right here. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go over to the menu and be sure that you click on the code tab over here. Once from here, you'll be able to see all of your different codes that you have made previously, but to upload a zip file, you'll simply need to go up here to the search bar, and right to the right of it, you'll see add file. Now from here, once you click on it, you'll be able to create a new file, or you can upload a new file. And if you upload a new file, it should look something like this, where you can drag files from here to your repository or choose from your files. So if you click choose on your files, your library will pop up. So from here, you'll just need to simply find the specific zip file that you want to upload onto your GitHub. From here, once you've done that, you'll simply need to click open, and then from here, as you can see, it will start uploading it onto your GitHub project. And then from here, you can click submit changes, and from here, you'll be seeing processing your files, and that can take approximately a couple minutes to complete. Once it's complete, you'll be able to see it right under here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!